across the street from Liberty Park in Salt Lake City, Utah is Beltex Meats, where they are bringing in whole animals and they are sourcing these incredible high quality sustainable meats to all of Utah.
Phil Grabisa, who's the butcher here, he wants to be your neighborhood butcher. I want to get to know him a little bit. James, are you ready to taste Beltex meat?
Let's get tasting.
Oh, let's go tasting, come on. We're standing here in Beltex Meats headquarters, essentially, your butcher shop here with Philip Grabisa.
What we do here is we start with the raw cuts, and then we move into salting a cut, and then we dry age that cut, and then we have a final different product at the very end. This is from Chris Jansen Family Farms, and they're in Mount Vernon, Utah. So this is the pork shoulder, bone in, that's the whole thing. Obviously, most popular cut is the Boston butt out of there. So now I have my middle section. I'm gonna remove that section. This is our pork chops and our sirloin, and make my mark. That's kind of the sections we get it into. Starting in the back, the hind leg, this is where your traditional American ham would come from. This is the sirloin, or our boneless pork chops. And then you come over to here and you have like your traditional bone-in pork chops. As you can kind of see where those two parts meet. We have our pork belly right here. And that's gonna be where our bacon comes from. Now our shoulder, the summertime, we know this is gonna wanna stay as like a Boston butt or a picnic ham. Beautiful cuts to slow smoke on the smoker. Like, so this is a fresh sausage as opposed to a dried sausage. Just the texture at the finished product is what we're looking for. So we grind most of our fresh sausages twice to create a better texture at the finished product. This is our breakfast sausage. We call it the breakfast chub. It's a perfect way to start your morning. And we use a little Vermont maple syrup with water. And we're just looking for a nice sticky paste to form on the side walls. And the casing is an all natural casing. It is the intestine of the hog that we use. And now we'll just start extruding the sausage. And now we've got our start to sausage. And for our chubs, we're doing about a 3 1/4 inch length. And we'll twist one way, come to the next length, pinch off, and go the opposite direction. And then eventually you start to spin it and go faster. And we just go through and poke little holes in it. And that's generally it. And then we'll take these and we'll hang them for about 24 hours in our walk-in. And that's really it. Breakfast sausage. We put a lot of effort to putting respect back into the cases. That's how we will say that we've done our job, is people enjoying the product. And the only way they're gonna enjoy it is starting with a good product.